We Mind the Gap is a social mobility charity that established in Wrexham in 2014. We now deliver loads of programmes across North Wales and the North West. We support young people from 11 to 15 and then 16 to 24. And our main aim is to fill the gaps in their lives with the things that the rest of us might take for granted.
So I'm Craig. I am already messed up. There we go. Hi, yeah, I'm Craig. I'm the first mate / welfare officer for the We Grow programme here in Flintshire. I think the young people, they really struggle. The skills levels are very varied, particularly with digital skills. So some can be really great at digital skills, and I've been introduced to a lot to digital, whether that's laptops, whether that's computers, whether that's phones, to some that I've never really had that before. Building them the digital skills actually can be part of the role that we play. But also at the same time, it's about giving back to the young people, and that's the key for me. It's always been helping people grow and develop, and that's something I'm incredibly passionate about.
So the Chromebooks have been really helpful in addressing the challenges of barriers into digital inclusion. They've enabled our young people engaging with our We Discover programme to use the laptops to access that programme, to really take down those barriers of access and to increase their engagement. By having the laptops here and being able to lend those laptops to young people actually creates a safe environment that young people can come and engage in on a platform that they're able to learn, they're able to socialise, and they're able to start thinking about their next steps. During COVID, we pivoted some of our programmes to work in a digital environment, and that programme still continued. That's called We Discover. We Discover reaches into the homes of young people through a digital platform to be able to meet young people where they are. We found that lots of young people were isolated prior to and then exacerbated by COVID, and actually there's still a need to deliver in a digital environment to support young people to start thinking about what's outside their front door and start communicating further than beyond their initial family environment or a statutory service, to really start broadening their horizons and thinking what's out there and how they'd like to engage with that. So We Discover, there's two core parts of it. We have interactive group sessions, so whilst it's digital, it's really interactive. Also, we have mentoring, so mentoring happens online too. That is a one-to-one support that young people have with a member of our team who are accredited health coaches. That is to really support them to look forward, to think about where they want to be going in life and how they're going to get there, and really making small steps and celebrating every win, big or small, along the way.
My name's Cameron. I came to We Mind the Gap to try and help myself to get out of bed and stuff like that in the mornings, so I can actually do stuff instead of not being motivated to get out of bed to go and do something.
I'm Harry. I was with the We Grow programme. We were given the Chromebooks to help with the educational aspect. What I was part of was English language work, and a lot of that heavily involved independent writing, which I like, which I was able to do on the Chromebook. I find typing is considerably easier. It comes much more naturally to me, I feel. So the Chromebooks really help me, with these kinds of tasks where I would struggle much more with them otherwise.
We Mind the Gap.